To activate your Simplii Financial credit card, follow these steps. First, ensure you have your credit card and the phone number associated with your account ready. If you are a new customer, you will need to register for online banking to activate your card. Start by visiting the Simplii Financial website and logging in to your online banking account. If you do not have an account, click on Register and follow the prompts to create one. You will need your credit card information and personal details to complete the registration process. Once you are logged in, navigate to the credit card section and select the Activate Card option. You will be asked to provide the credit card number and the expiration date. Enter the required information and click Submit. Alternatively, you can activate your credit card by calling the Simplii Financial customer service number. You can find this number on the back of your credit card or on the Simplii Financial website. When you call, you will be prompted to enter your credit card number and other identifying information. After verifying your information, the customer service representative will activate your credit card. You will receive a confirmation that your card is active and ready to use. It is essential to note that you may need to set up a PIN for your credit card. You can do this online or by calling the customer service number. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Best practices for activating and using your Simplii Financial credit card include keeping your card and PIN secure, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious transactions to Simplii Financial immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can activate your Simplii Financial credit card quickly and securely, and start using it for your financial needs. Remember to always keep your account information and credit card details confidential to prevent unauthorized access.